Hello there guys, my name is Histolia, and in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to create this social media ad, or in that case restaurant poster, okay, using Microsoft PowerPoint, right? So in this video actually this is what I did earlier on. I created all of this using PowerPoint, so I'm going to do the same things so that you can see or you can learn on how I achieved this. Well guys, and if you want to appreciate me on doing this tutorial, please I urge you to subscribe, share it with your friends, and just comment down there, and then you give me a like, give me a thumbs up so that it can help me with the YouTube. Okay, fine, let's continue. Let's now begin on how I created this one. So I'll come here and then I'll go to custom slide, and then I'll select custom. So I selected 6 inches by 6 inches. Okay, so we will click on it, right? So I'm going to click on this one, and then I'll say duplicate, and then I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to delete everything from here so that I can start from the beginning, and then you are going to learn. Okay, so the first thing I did, I clicked here on insert, and then I selected the shape, this rectangle, and then I drag this one like this until when it is full like that. Then the next thing I did, I right clicked here, I came here to format. On format, I selected here gradient, and then you can see it has selected automatically because I had already set it. So you will come here, select this one, click on this one, and then you come to color here, then you select your color, can add more, then you are going to standard, and then from the standard you select your color here. Okay, again you will come to this part, and then you select your color, and then I selected that one, you can see, right? Let's continue. So this one has already populated, there is no issue. I've shown you how you can get it. Okay, so the next thing we did, I click here, and then I click here to shape outline, and then I'll click on no outline. Right, let's continue. Now the next thing, we need to write these wordings. Okay, we need to write these wordings, or in that case let me first bring the image. Okay, let's bring the image. I'll come here, insert, and then I insert the picture, and then I'll come here to my desktop. From my desktop I'll select the picture. Why am I not seeing the picture here on the desktop? Okay, it is here, so we will insert. So it is here now. Once our picture is here, now we need to remove these other parts, okay, the one we don't need. So I'll come and click on the image, and then I'll click on the remove the background. So Microsoft PowerPoint has a feature whereby you can be able to remove some parts that you don't need in your image. So mark areas to remove, no, let's say mark areas to keep. So I'm going to mark here until there, you can see, and then I'll mark also down here like that, and then I'm going to mark also this part here like so. I'll mark also here. I think that way is okay. I think I'll come here, part to remove. So I need this part removed. sorry for that, I need that part removed, and then I'll say keep the changes. So this is our image now, the way out it looks. And then from here I'm going to click here on picture effects, and then okay, I'll work on that one later on. Let's do the vital things first. Okay, so we bring this one down, then I'm going to click here on text box, and then I'm going to drag like that, and then I'll type the word delicious. I control A, put it in the middle, and then I'm going to select the font, this font, and then I'll enlarge it a bit like so, and then I'm going to make it white. Click it to be white like that, or even we can use a different one. Okay, I have so many here, like this one, Alex brush. We can use any. Okay, we can use any. In fact, let me use different. Let's use this one, Cornea script, and then we add it a bit, and then I'm going to bring it here in the middle. Okay, and then after this I'll come here to shape effect. I'll need it to glow like that, like this, and then I'm going again to another text box, and then I'll write the word burger like so. Control A, I center it, and then I'm going to make this one bigger. Okay, we are going to make this one bigger like so, and then we bring it here. Then from here I'm going to look for a font. Maybe we can use that one, or we can use another one. Let's look for another font that looks somehow okay. Let me look for a font. Let's say we are going to use this one, and then we bolden. Let it be bold. Then I'm going to make it in the middle. This one, the upper one, I want it here. Let it say there. And then I'm going again to click control on my keyboard, and then I'm going to select this one, bring it down, then I'll copy, Control A, and then from here we are going to write this one. We type this Saturday. Okay, type this Saturday, and then I'm going to do this, bring it here, and then we are going to rotate it. Let's say like that. Let's say we put it like that, and then again, now our text in the middle, we need to make it a yellow color. Let it be yellow like that. Then we are going to do some effects. Click here, and then we are going to make it like this so that it can be somehow visible. Right now, then I'm going to reduce this one a bit. Let it be here. Right now, once we have created this one, that one is okay. Then I'm going to double click on this one, and then effect, maybe we want it like this, and then the edges, or maybe let's say we don't want to do anything, or let's say we don't need it. Okay, let me just make it plain like that. Then now we need to create another text box. I'll just work on it here, text box, and then I'll type up to, then I'll Control A, and then I'll select this font, and then I'll come here, click here, make it uppercase. Okay, and then we are going to reduce it a bit like that, and then I'm going to type another font, another text again. So I'm just clicking Control on my keyboard, and then I copy this one, and then I'll type here 50, and then I'll do percentage like that. This one, this time I'm going to make it big like that, and then we bolden. Let's add it to be big, and then I'm going to bring it here. I'll show you where we are going to put this one, don't worry. And then again I'm going to copy this part, the top one, control in the keyboard, and then bring it down here. Then we control A, then we type the word off like that, and then we are going to make it, I want to center it like so. Right now from here I'm going to insert a shape. Okay, there are shapes here, but you can also click here, insert. Let's select from this part, then we select this one, and then I'm going to control and shift on my keyboard, then I draw that shape, and then there is this yellow ellipse tool here, then you are going to make it like so, and then I'm going to reduce it, right, and then I'm going to click here on format, and then we are going to the shape fill, we will make it red, and then we remove the outline, we don't need any outline. And then from here I'm going also to make the effect, and then glow, we will make it, let's say I need on top like so, right, that is it. Then you remember this text I told you, I'm going to show you where we can put this one. Now this is the time, we will bring this one here, and then I'm going to click on format, and then I'll click on bring on top like that, and then we are going to make it in the middle, let's see there. And then this one I'm going to make this one yellow, so I'm going to click on text fill, we will make it yellow like that, then the rest we will make it white, right. This one we will make the text to be white, top one also we will make it white. Okay, make this one white, and then I'll click here home, I need to make it bold, also the down one I need it bold like so. So you can see this shape is big, so I'm going to shift, and then like this I'm going to reduce that way like that. I think this way looks nice, this way it looks very nice, right. Now let's continue with our design. So I'll come here to insert text box, and then I'm going to select here, then I will type the word 24/7, select it, then we use our font. If you have realized I'm using like only 2 fonts, okay, I'm using like only 2 fonts, you don't need to use a lot of fonts. So select that one, and then I'm going also to click control on my keyboard, and then I will copy this one, and then I will type here home delivery, like that's home delivery, and then I'm going to reduce it, it has to be somehow smaller, so we will reduce the font size like that, and even I'll put it down like that, and then we are going to make it here, bring this one, then this one I need it bold, so I'll click here, and then I'll make it yellow, let's return this one back like this, looks nice. Or let's do this, and then Control A. Yes, like this looks nice. Like this one looks nice. And then I'll come here to format, and then effect. You remember our reflection. Maybe we can make it this way. This one looks nice because we copied from here. It is still populating. Okay, so after that we need now to do some text down here, but I think I need to expand my image so it's somehow big, like so. Like this looks nice. Then I'll click here. In fact, I'm just going to use this one. Click Control on the keyboard and then bring this one down here. Control A, and then I'll type the number 07 0022 0022. Yeah, and then I'm going to click there and I'll select the font. I'll use this font like so, and then I'm going to select again the same font. Click Control on my keyboard and then I'll bring it down here. Then I'll type now the email, I mean the website, www.burger.com. okay, like this. I think we need to reduce this one. Let it be 14. Also this one, let it be 14, like so. This way looks perfect. Okay, now after this I'm going to click here on the shapes, and then I will select this shape, and then I'm going to draw here like this, and then I'll make this shape yellow like that. Outline, we remove the outline, no outline, and then I'll type a word here. So I'm going to copy this one, right, and then I'll click on format, bring to front like so, and then I'm going to make the word order now. Okay, click at home, make it bold, increase, and then make the color to be black like that, and then I will center the text that way. And then I'm going to reduce, in fact I'm going to reduce this one so that it can be inside like so. Center it, reduce also this one. Also I'll reduce this one. It has to look like this, right? Then this, the word home delivery, I'm going to make it this way. Also this one. Then you remember here we had a telephone number. I made a mistake, I did not copy it well, so 07 0022 0022 like so. So this is how it will look. So I'm going to change the color of this one. I'll make it yellow like so, and that is it. So if you can see now, we are finished making our, this is what we have created, as you can see, right? Okay, this is what we have created right away. Fine guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and share it to your friends. All right, see you.